So welcome to the second part of the video of solving Edexcel Foundation past paper. So let's move to the next question. So next question is about let's zoom it in. Okay, so there are 12,481 people at a concert. 8,906 of these people are adults. The rest of the people are children. 3/5 of the children are boys. Work out the number of girls. First of all, by using these two values, we will figure out how many children are there. So total number of people in the concert were 12,481 and adults are 8,906. So whatever is remaining, they're kids. So 7, 11 minus 6 is 5, 7 minus 0 is 7, 14 and 1, 14 minus 9 is 5, and 11 minus 8 is 3. So there are 3,575 children. Now the rest of the people are children, so we got the rest of the people, they are children. Now they're saying 3/5 of the children are boys. So there are two different ways of it. We can find 3/5 of our children, which will give you boys, and then minus the number of boys from the total number of children, you will know the girls. Or the remaining is 2/5, that's for girls. Just find 2/5 of the total number of children. This will give you directly girls, how many girls were there. So 3/5 of the total number of children are boys. Simplify. 5 times 7 is 35, 5 times 1 is 5, remainder 2, 5 times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 1 is 3, 4, 7 times 3 is 21. 2,145 boys are there. So out of 3,575, 2,145 boys. So the remaining are girls. 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1,430 girls were there in the concert. Okay, let's move on to next question. So here we see they're asking us to simplify 6e times 2f. We multiply numbers with numbers. 6 times 2 is 12. E times f is ef, so it's 12ef. Here we have to bring the like terms together, 5m and negative 2m. So positive 5 and negative 2, positive 5 and negative 2 will give you positive 3, so it's 3m. And positive 7 and positive 1 will give you positive 8k. That's the answer. You can't add them anymore because they are unlike terms. Now here we have a two-step equations. We have to isolate our y. Whatever is with y, you have to throw it away. So first I'll throw 3. It's a plus 3. The opposite is minus 3 on both sides. So plus 3 minus 3 cancel each other. 5y is 14 minus 3, which is 11. Okay. 5y is equal to 11. 5y is 5 times y. The opposite is divide by 5 on both sides. So 5 divided by 5 is gone. It's just 1. So y is equal to 11 divided by 5. 11 divided by 5 is 2.2. Okay, let's move on to next question. Here are the shoe sizes of 11 people. First question is write down the mode. Mode is the number which comes most often. So I can see 4 is coming like 5 times here. So this is our mode. Range is highest value minus lowest value. Highest value is, I think, 10. And lowest value, I think, is 4. So range is 10 minus 4, which is 6. And median, to find the median, we have to write them in order. After writing them in order, cancel them in pairs from both sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and whatever is left in the middle is the median, the number in the middle. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Clark works in a shoe shop. On Tuesday morning, he sold some pair of shoes. The mean price of pair of shoes was £34. That's the mean price. On Tuesday afternoon, he sold only two pair of shoes. The prices of these pair of shoes were £31 and £49. So that's the individual price. Is the mean price of all the pair of shoes Clark sold on Tuesday more or less than £34? You must give a reason. So to find the mean price, we need to find the average, and he sold two shoes worth 31 and 49. To find the average, add both of them and divide them by 2. So you will see it is like 80 over 2, which is £40. So the answer is no. And you have to explain them that the mean price or the average of those two shoes, or just write them in detail, is £40, not 34 or whatever. Anyways, let's move on to the next question. So a very interesting question. Here we can see we have this angle here, 116 degree. We have one angle given here, 55 degree, and we are looking for x. We are looking for this angle. Okay, so this angle is very important to know. We have to figure out this angle first, because once we know this angle, we can easily figure out this and this part together, because these are angles around a point. Because this is a point, it's a common point. Angles around a point add up to 360 degree. So we know one already. We will know the D, angle D. Once we know angle D, it's very easy to figure out angle X, because we will add both of these and minus from 360. Okay, so let's continue. So we are looking for angle D. So first of all, we need to figure out this and this angle. Because this is an isosceles triangle, it means this and these both angles are same, and together they all three of them in the sum of an interior angle of a triangle is always 180 degree. So from 180 I'll minus 116. I will get 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 minus 1 is 6, 64 degree. So 64 degree is equally divided into both these angles. So divide 64 by 2. You will get 32. So this is 32 and this is 32. Now we can see by the sign, this is a right angle. So out of 90 degree, 32 is this one. How much is the remaining part? 90 minus 32 is 58. This angle is 58. Now in this triangle, we got this angle, and we are looking for the third one. So we will add these two and take away from 180. So add 55 and 58, which will give you 113. Take away from 180. So 7, 5, 57. This one is 57 degree. Is it 57? 67, I'm sorry. 67 degree. So angle D is 67 degree. Now, if angle D is 67, how much is angle X? As I told you, these are the three angles around a point. We add the two angles given to us and subtract from 360. So let's do that. So we will add 67 and 116. So 6 plus 7 is 13. 8. 183. We subtract 183 from 360. We will get 177. X is 177 degree. Okay, so I hope you are understanding all these questions. In case you have any confusion, you can write in the comments. Here we will end part 2 of this video, of this paper. We will solve the rest of the paper in part 3. I hope this video is of help to you, inshallah. Take care and have a nice day.